Oh, Interstellar is truly a masterpiece. It combines a thrilling plot with profound emotional depth and stunning visuals, making it a must-watch. Let us tell you exactly why.
Interstellar takes place in the future where Earth is becoming uninhabitable for humans due to environmental degradation. Crop failures and massive dust storms have turned the planet into a hostile environment. Humanity's survival depends on finding new home in the galaxy.
The stories begin with Cooper, a former NASA pilot turned farmer, raising his two children, Murph and Tom. In this withering world, Murph noticed a mysterious ghost in her bedroom, which turned out to be a gravitational anomaly. This leads Cooper to a hidden NASA base, where Professor Brand revealed a daring plan, sending a crew to a wormhole near Saturn to find a new habitable planet.
Cooper reluctantly agreed to pilot the mission, but had to leave his family behind for who knows how long. Along with Emily Brand and a team of scientists, he embarks on an exciting journey through the wormhole to explore 3 potential planets. Each planet presents unique challenges, from time dilation on a water-covered world to betrayal on an icy wasteland.
As the mission progressed, Cooper learned the harsh truth. Plan A mass evacuation of humans, was never viable. The real objective is Plan B, repopulating a new planet with frozen embryos. Meanwhile, back on Earth, Murph grew up to become a brilliant scientist working to solve the equation that would allow Earth population to escape gravity.
The climax occurs when Cooper enters the black hole in Gargantuan and finds himself in a fifth-dimensional space called the Tesseract. Here, time becomes a physical dimension, allowing him to communicate crucial data to Murph through gravity. Murph uses this data to solve this equation, enabling humanity to escape Earth. The film ends with Cooper reuniting with an elderly Murph on a massive space station near Saturn before setting off to find Amelia on a new planet.
First, we have to talk about the protagonist of the story, Joseph Cooper, acted by Matthew McConaughey. Cooper is the emotional anchor of the film, a father torn between his love for his family and his duty to save humanity. This arc explores many admirable themes of humanity, such as sacrifice, resilience, and hope. Next, the most important character, in my opinion, Murph Cooper, acted by Mackenzie Foy, Jessica Chastain, Ellen Burstyn. Her journey from a curious child to a world-saving scientist parallels the film narrative of human knowledge and determination. Her bond with her father highlights the emotional depth of the film.
Then we have Dr. Amelia Bland, acted by Anne Hathaway. She is one of the scientists on the mission. Dr. Bland embodies both intellect and compassion. Her belief in the power of love as a guiding force contrasts with the goal of the mission.
And her father, Professor Brand, acted by Michael Caine. He is a mentor figure whose hidden agenda adds moral complexity to the story. Will he tell the truth and potentially losing the morale of everyone, or hide the truth and pushing everyone forward until the very last moment? He picked the latter, and though he might not know it, it was not in vain. His action highlighted the difficult choices humanity faces in desperate times.
Next, we got the villain of the story, Dr. Mann, acted by Matt Damon, a cautious character representing fears and self-preservation of humanity as a whole. His portrayal creates one of the film's most intense moments, showcasing the darker side of human nature. And lastly, Taz and Case. These robotic companions bring both humor and heroism to the story. Their adaptability and dry wit make them memorable characters in their own right.
There are many unique different settings presented to us in this movie. But first, of course, we'll have to talk about Earth, a desolate world plagued by environmental collapse, symbolizing the urgency of the mission. The dust storms and failing crops create a sense of despair.
Next, we have the wormhole. The wormhole near Saturn is depicted with stunning realism representing humanity leap into the unknown.
Then we have the 3 planets discovered by NASA. Miller's Planet, a water world where massive tidal waves and extreme time dilation which highlight the danger of space exploration. Mars Planet, a frozen wasteland that serves as stark contrast to the Earth's condition. It essentially reflects the fragility of home in desperate times. Edmund Planet, a hopeful habitable world that represents the potential for humanity's rebirth.
Finally, the setting where the stunning climate scene took place, the Gargantua and the Tesseract. The black hole is not only visually but also scientifically breathtaking, and inside, the Tesseract, a 5-dimensional construct, allows Cooper to transcend time and communicate with Murph in the past. Honestly, this scene blows my mind every time I watch it. This setting is not only awe-inspiring but also emotionally charged. There are many moral lessons scattered throughout the film that we can learn, one of them being environmental responsibility. The Earth in the film reminded us of the consequences of neglecting our planet and the urgent need for sustainability shown through the dying crops. Compare this to real life, and it just shows how much more hope we have.
Speaking of hope, our next moral lesson is about sacrifice and hope. Cooper's journey demonstrates that great sacrifices are necessary for a better future. The film delivers a message of hope. Humanity can overcome any kind of challenge.
Next important moral lesson, the power of love. The film suggests that love is a myriad emotional force capable of transcending time and space. Cooper and Murph bond is the key to humanity's survival.
For the last moral lesson, we have human resilience and creativity. Interstellar commends humanity's ability to adapt and solve problems even in the face of extinction. Murph will to solve the equation is one of the examples that represents this theme.
For the movie rating, we had to give it a 9.5 out of 10. Interstellar is a nearly perfect film, blending a thought-provoking narrative with breathtaking visuals and a deeply emotional core. The scientific accuracy adds authenticity, while Hans Zimmer's iconic score amplifies the film's emotional impact. The reason why it's not a 10 out of 10 for us is because of the complexity. But this is also what makes it so rewarding upon deeper reflection.
We have to thank director Christopher Nolan, renowned for crafting complex, emotionally resonant stories, as well as scientific consultant Kip Thorne, a theoretical physicist, ensure the accurate depiction of black hole, time dilation, and other space phenomena. His crucial part of working on the film even contribute to actual scientific research.
For score, we have Hans Zimmer soundtrack. It's a vital part in enhancing the experience, with the use of organ tones to evoke wonder and urgency. Lastly, the film got its inspiration from science fiction classics such as 2001: A Space Odyssey, with added unique emotional and philosophical dimension.
Interstellar is not just a movie. It's an exploration of what it means to be a human. It challenges our minds, touches our hearts, and leaves us in awe of the universe and ourselves. Mankind was born on Earth. It was never meant to die here.